Alrighty, so this is me explaining what I mean by smart UV. So basically what we first have is two scenarios that a lot of editors have. The first one will be stretching. You see that if you stretch an item in a lot of editors that are constrained, where the texture is constrained, it will just stretch the texture as well, and that doesn't look good. Another thing, if you don't have it constrained, is it will just tile the texture live. But you see what happens here is, let's say it's a texture of a tile and you want it to repeat perfectly how it is right now. You see, as you get a little bit bigger, it no longer repeats perfectly. It'll cut off right in the dead center of the tile. So in order to avoid that, we have our smart UVing. So first what's going to happen is it will stretch, and it'll stretch to a certain percent, let's say 150%, so it stretches a little bit but not a lot, or you could change that percent, maybe a little less, and once you get over that percent, it'll automatically snap. So let's say you have 150%, you get over that percent and it's going to snap to this. So now it'll automatically snap to perfect tiling. As you get bigger, you'll see that the tiling will now remain perfect, and then if you go again over 150%, what's going to happen is it's just going to snap again. Oops. It's just going to snap again, just like that. So that's my solution to the problem, and this should be per, I want to say per face, but if that's not possible, per object, and it should be you should be able to enable it and disable it. So for instance, you can use it while scaling the first part of the texture a little bigger. Let's say while you're scaling the box to a rectangle, so you're scaling the top right box into this left rectangle, you can use it, and then you want to disable it, then you should still be able to scale that rectangle even further using either this method or this method without it snapping to the UV map, or snapping to the I don't know how to call that, but without it snapping, without the smart UV kicking in. So that's my idea, and I hope you can implement it.